Do-it-yourself essential oil room or linen spray by Hotpinkzebrapolish.
Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you, basically it's just one of my favorite recipes, and it's going to be how to make an essential oil room spray, and it's something that I always have on hand on my bedside table so that I can just spray the bedding and the room and everything, just because it gives a very, very subtle light aroma, and I don't know, I think it helps me sleep. So I hope you guys like this video and the cute little recipe that I've been using for a while, as well as there is a Melody Minutes at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that if you'd like to see some of her little antics that she's been doing lately. And don't forget to click subscribe to see all my future videos as well.
So to begin with, I'm going to show you that the little spray bottles that I'm using, and whenever you make something with essential oils, you want to make sure that you find a glass bottle that is dark in color, just because that's going to preserve the efficacy of the oils the best. And this set that I had came with some really nice little labels to go on the bottles if you care to use them. And then I have dark amber colored bottles, and these are really nice little sprayer bottles, which is great for something like a room spray because it's got a really fine mist, especially if you're planning on spraying, say, your pillow or your bedding right before you get in. That really fine mist is going to make it evaporate really nicely. And I'll put a link to those bottles in the description box below as well. So here's a half a cup of distilled water, and then 2 tablespoons of isopropyl alcohol. So the distilled water, if you don't have distilled, you could just use, I'd use filtered water, but I would recommend using distilled. And then the isopropyl alcohol helps keep the essential oils mixed into the water after you make it. But I do still recommend that you shake it up pretty good before you spray it each time. But that little bit of alcohol in there will help keep it mixed a little bit better. And also help make it dry some too. So then pour that into your bottle until it's not necessarily all the way filled up, but pretty close, and then grab your essential oils. So you want to do about 12 to 16 drops total, and you can mix it up and do whatever kinds you like. My personal bed recipe is 4 drops of sweet orange, 8 drops of lavender, and 4 drops of eucalyptus. And sometimes, you know, if you're measuring your drops, one gets in a little extra or something, and it varies from that, but that is my particular favorite one. And sometimes if I'm feeling a little bit congested, if it's allergy season, maybe I'll do a little bit more heavy on the eucalyptus just to kind of help clear me out and help me breathe better. But you can obviously switch that up in any way you like. I think I might make one with grapefruit because that's one of my favorites, and maybe use that in the morning. I don't know, we'll see. But then after you have that, you can write out your little label. I like to write my label with what scent it is or what oils I used, just in case you do have more than one, you can remember what you did. And then make sure that the bottle is nice and clean. There's no oils or anything on the outside of it before you place the label. Then you can just peel that little label off, place it right on the bottle. I tried to center it, just eyeballing it, and I think I did a pretty good job. If you wanted to, though, you could put down some masking tape and actually measure it to make sure it was straight and centered. After that, give your bottle a shake, and then you can spray your bedding and your room and wherever you like. It's also nice to have some in the bathroom, just have a bathroom refresher too if you make one for that. And here's my Melody Minutes. This happens every time we go shopping. She gets so excited about absolutely everything. But she doesn't get everything. She just thinks she needs everything. Here's her new technique for waving.
Who are you waving at, Melody? Are you waving at yourself or at Mama?
So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this quick little tutorial. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!